nou gaan ek hulle maar aan julle oorlos. They now your two ladies to entertain, so want ek gaan nou braai.
Dankie.
Ek dink die dames het goed gevaar vanaand by die partytjie. Hulle was baie nervus geweest afhanklik, jy weet, vreemde mense, vreemde omgewing, vreemde alles. But yeah, sort of, you know, I didn't want to sort of baby them too much in that sense, en hulle het bietjie uitgeskop, maar lyk my hulle meng goed in met die ouens so.
Dit is baie lekker om hier te kuier, maar dit is
uitputtend, emosioneel.
skrikkelik uitputtend. Nie emosioneel so erg nie, want ek dink mense sit so half jou kop en jou hart heeltemal apart. Of dis wat ek doen.
Dankie vir al die geskenkies elke dag. Ek weet nie wie om te bedankie, maar ons gaan
sê vir Anna elke aand op die kussing.
hoorie, maar ons gaan wegrol hierso as ons klaar is. Ek dink dit is belangrik dat hy ons gelos het, want hy het nodig om te sien hoe reageer ons tussen sy vriende en is ons gemaklik om alleen tussen hulle te wees. Weet hy kan nie daar wees om ons op te pas die hele tyd nie, en ons het nodig om weet ons eie mens te wees tussen al sy mense.
Ek vermoed dat Kevin nie iemand wil hê wat needy is nie. Of ek vermoed hy het iemand, of hy wil graag iemand hê wat haar eie ding kan doen. Hy het dit gesê ook al baie keer. So how far did you drive to get here tonight?
Hour and a half.
What?
Yes.
Kevin owes you a nice steak.
From us to everywhere is an hour and a half.
Hoorie,
Mooi wêreld is hè.
pragtig. Ja, dit is ongelooflik. Rarig.
He looks happy, and yeah, I think he is. Kevin has a difficult choice ahead of him, yeah.
I think so too, between the two girls. And what is, I don't know if it's the answer is right, but this time it's not him looking for a girl, it's a girl coming looking for where he stays and knowing what they're coming into.
They both come across as ladies that are very resourceful, very confident within themselves. They definitely look like they could make a plan, and very friendly, very warm people.
Mia's had more experience in the world. She's travelled, she's well-read.
She's very sensitive.
And she's sensitive, and we've got to know her, and extremely capable. There's no question. Marguerite, a lovely girl. There's no question on that either. It's a very difficult choice. You know, one can't look at it objectively. You've got to look at it in terms of the emotional impact that it has with Kevin, but we'd be supportive in whatever decision he makes.
And it's very difficult to choose, because you just don't know if there's chemistry or not.
One of the girls sort of was a little bit more comfortable, it seemed, in terms of the environment, and sort of more engaging, where the other was a little bit reticent initially. But certainly towards the latter part of the evening, it looks like they both sort of made the effort, and once the nerves sort of calmed down, it seems like they're comfortable in that environment.
Ja, ek voel nogal nader aan Kevin in die sin van dat jy weet so nog 'n stukkie van hom gesien het, want dit is regtig 'n extension van hom, jy weet. Dit was goed om hulle te ontmoet. Jy kan regtig sien dit is 'n regte groep mense, en hulle is almal vir mekaar belangrik.
Ek dink is onmoontlik om nie na vanaand tog nader aan hom te voel nie. Omdat ek nou sy familie en vriende bietjie leer ken het, en so net gesien het hoe lief hulle vir hom is en hoe baie hulle vir hom omgee. En ek hoor ook aan die vrae wat hulle vir mense vra. Hulle is regtig besig om saam met hom iemand te soek vir die plaas.